Welcome to USMLEFasttrack.com. The section we're going to talk about today is from
First Aid for the USMLE Step 1, 2013 edition.
Page 441. Cranial nerve 3, oculomotor nerve. What are the components of cranial nerve 3? Cranial nerve 3 has both motor and parasympathetic components. Motor is for central and parasympathetic is for peripheral. What are the motor functions of cranial nerve 3? The motor functions of cranial nerve 3 is to provide motor output to the ocular muscles. What are the conditions that can affect the motor output to the ocular muscles? Motor output to ocular muscles is affected primarily by vascular disease such as diabetes, in which glucose is turned into sorbitol. And the reason vascular disease will lead to dysfunction in the ocular muscle is because there's going to be decreased diffusion of oxygen and nutrients to the interior fibers. So basically, if there's vascular disease, that would mean that there is decrease in oxygen and nutrients going to the ocular muscles, and this would lead to problems with the ocular muscles. What is a sign indicative of ocular muscle dysfunction? A sign of ocular muscle dysfunction is ptosis and a down and out gaze. Describe what happens if there is a compression of cranial nerve 3. If there is compression of cranial nerve 3, it will have an effect on the parasympathetic output because fibers on the periphery are the first to be affected by compression. What are the causes that can lead to compression of cranial nerve 3? The causes of compression on cranial nerve 3 can be posterior communicating artery aneurysm and uncal herniation. What is uncus? Uncus is an anterior extremity of the parahippocampal gyrus. What are some of the signs of cranial nerve 3 compression? Some of the signs of cranial nerve 3 compression includes diminished or absent pupillary light reflex as well as blown pupil.
For more information on this topic, click on the link in the description section below. For a full USMLE Step 1 review, be sure to check us out at USMLEFasttrack.com, where we help you review the entire first aid for the USMLE Step 1 with high quality videos and hundreds of detailed pictures for a better understanding of the material. So to learn from the best USMLE review book, be sure to check us out at USMLEFasttrack.com.